Britain plans to increase its presence in the contested South China Sea and the Indo-Pacific region. This was revealed by the Chief of Staff of the British Air Force, Marshal Mike Wigston. Speaking aboard the Royal Navy's HMS Queen Elizabeth docked in Singapore, Wigston said there would be more regular drums deployments. That will manifest in what you see from the Royal Navy and Air Force, he said. In addition to deploying more military assets, increased engagement will come in the form of humanitarian aid and disaster relief, Wigston added. The Royal Navy Battle Group, led by the $3.9 billion aircraft carrier HMS Queen Elizabeth, is in its maiden 28-week worldwide deployment. Cara Owen added that 2 British Navy warships had just transited through the Panama Canal and were heading to Asian waters. This follows an announcement in July to permanently deploy 2 warships in the region. Our ambition is to take on a more persistent presence here than any other country from Europe, he said aboard the 65,000-ton ship. Earlier, ships from the British aircraft carrier Battle Group participated in exercises marking the 50th anniversary of the Five Powers Defence Arrangement with Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, and New Zealand. The deployment also comes as Britain seeks to sign more trade deals around the world after leaving the European Union. In June, the UK began negotiations to join a broader Asia-Pacific Free Trade Alliance known as the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for the Trans-Pacific Partnership.